Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the LEMO-LIFYS brand, their model GCJ-06B. It's an electric weed whacker. It'll have a 6-inch cut. The whole thing only weighs 6 pounds. It includes 2 batteries, a charger, gloves, safety glasses, and a whole tool kit. 3-month warranty for the manufacturer. And it has metal cutting blades and metal knife blades and nylon knife blades. Very powerful and lightweight. First thing I'm going to show you is how this was shipped safely in a large box within another box. So you can see that they were very careful to line everything with plastic so that it comes to your door all intact. It does have an instruction booklet, and we're going to be using this to assemble the product. And I'm going to show it assembled. It's pretty straightforward based on the drawing. You can see that it has very sharp, large 6-inch blade with about 2.5–3 millimeter pitch on there. You can see this is locked in place with tabs for strength. This is going to do your heavy duty cutting when you have really thick weeds and branches. This is going to cut right through it. And there's a safety guard on there, you can see right here. Handle, the drive part right there, the wheels, and adjustable sections where you can increase the length and so forth. The tool kit has a Phillips head screwdriver, a guard. It's got 2 metal blades which lock in place also. So you have a choice of these knife blades or the nylon knife blades or that circular blade. And you can see it has the wrenches you're going to need and the other hardware to put the thing together. It's nice. Has the pair of safety glasses and a pair of very nice quality gloves. So I've never seen a unit like this that has such a heavy duty blade. We're going to see how well this works, but you should be able to cut through all your weeds and everything. It has a charger with a status light right there. Has a barrel connector, and that barrel connector is going to plug right into each battery. One at a time you're going to charge it. See, it's got a push button which is going to allow it to lock in place on the drive section right there. Goes like that, and then it has a nice safety. You have to push the button for power to go through. And you can see those contacts right there. That's how it gets sent down this tube to the motor. Now let's take a look right here. There is the receptor connections right there and the screw compression nut there. And very nice. You can see you got a button right there to lock in and change the various angles. Really nice. This is the drive motor right there. One thing I want to point out is this has a locking Phillips head screw right there. Have to counterclockwise back that up before you remove the main nut on there. That's very nice they did that so that the blade will stay in place. So we're going to assemble this, and we're going to charge the batteries, and we're going to show you how this thing operates. Charge is very simple. Plug this into 120 volts. You see it's got the red indicator because I plugged the barrel connector into the plug. See, it goes to green when it's finished. That's what's going to charge the battery. See, it's 21 volt battery, 2 amp hour. So here the unit is all assembled. I have the metal blade on there, the guard. The instructions were pretty clear. This is a metal plate that will remove some of the debris that is going from this blade. It'll cut it up nicely. Here is the base where it has the wheels that roll. It's a nice chunk of aluminum, and they do tell you how to assemble it. It's really simple using the tool right there. And it has an adjustable piece right here that you could drop this down like that and lock it in place. Most of the time you're going to be using it in the lower position. When you open this up, you just turn the set screw clockwise. This piece right here is mounted on there with a friction connection right there, and you got to turn it pretty tight. So the concept here is this allows you to hold this down while you're cutting weeds. You could adjust the angle and roll it, so it saves your back. The electrical connections are inside here. You just have to push them in and turn the screw and tighten them up. You have another adjustment knob right here, which allows you to lengthen or shorten this Same concept, you open this up and you turn the set screw and lock it in place. There is a handle right here. The handle has a thumb screw, and you want to put that pretty tight, and that helps your back also. The other connection is here. You rotate and tighten that down, and then you put the battery in place right on the unit. Anytime you remove it, you push the button to remove it. Now, I mentioned the safety lock already. So the safety lock is great because it allows you to not turn the unit on without pushing that button first. So let's just turn this on. You're going to see the motor. It has a really long run, and it's got a lot of torque to it. Let's listen. So you can see how long it runs and winds down because it's not hitting weeds at this point, but that's a good sign that there's bushings in the mechanism. So I like the way they designed this. They did a good job, and the angle adjustments on there is really nice so that you could really get into your weeds at the correct angle. So you see I changed the angle right there. Now it's more parallel to the ground. So I think they did a great job on this product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.